Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Cheese! As you can see, I'm in a new apartment. I moved so I couldn't cook for a little bit, but now I'm unpacked and ready to go. Let's get it. Today we're making Tomahawk Steaks. Let's do it. As you can see here, we got ourselves a nice Tomahawk Steak. Look at that beauty. And how you know it's good steak, you see all that white patches in the meat? It's called what they call marbling. The more marbling it has, the better it's going to taste. All we're gonna do is season it with some rosemary salt. If you know, you know. Make sure you season everything. Then we're gonna let this marinate overnight. Look at that beauty. It's all covered in that rosemary sauce. Nice. It looks so nice. Yes. If you want to know how to make that rosemary salt, go on That Dude Cooks YouTube channel. Just look up rosemary salt, that Dude Cooks, and you got it. Now we wrap the Tomahawk steak back up, put it in the fridge, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's now the next day, and now we're just gonna let this meat come up to room temp. You feel me? Ooh, that thing's beautiful. Yeah. And while you're waiting for it to get up to room temperature, you're gonna preheat your oven to 225 degrees. Been 30 minutes. I also added some black pepper on all sides as well. Now we're gonna take this meat. We're gonna put it on the wire rack. And we're gonna take this thermometer. We're gonna set it to 125. We're gonna stick that in there. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. Just like I said, at 225. Alrighty, and the steak is done. I'm gonna take this baby out of the oven. Ooh! Look at that. I wish you guys could smell that. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil on medium to high heat. And then we're gonna add this steak on there so we can get a crust. While searing, you're gonna get some garlic and crush it, get some rosemary and 2 tablespoons of butter. When you get a nice crust on there, go ahead and flip it and coat the other side. After you flip it, add your 2 tablespoons of butter. Add your garlic. And your rosemary. Next, what you're going to want to do is take this and baste it all over this. After a couple minutes, you're going to flip it over again. Ooh, look at that. And you're going to baste this side again. Ooh, that's looking beautiful. Then you're going to want to sear the fat cap. So put it like that and let that sear. After searing the top side too, take it off. You're gonna let that baby rest. Cover it with some foil. We're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes. And now it's time to feast. Let's get it. Time for the taste test. I'm telling you, Add rosemary salt. Oop, almost forgot. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. See y'all next time. And remember, that's delicious. Deuces.